Hi, welcome to Q's Kitchen. Today we're going to turn this laundry pod into a cute spring gnome. They have bendable ears and a cute little fluffy tail. We've made gnomes out of these before for the other holidays, but today we're going to use a white container. Now we're ready to measure the fabric. It should be around 19 inches wide and between 9 and 12 inches high, depending if you want a cuff or not. Turn the right sides together and then only glue or sew this one side. We're going to do the same thing for the ears. Measure 6 inches by 5 inches, fold it in half, and then glue or sew two sides together. Leave it on the right side in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a half of a pipe cleaner, and what you're going to do is you're going to get that seam into the back, and then we're going to scrunch it up just so slightly so it's kind of all the way even around, just like that there, just like that. Take your pipe cleaner. If you don't have a pipe cleaner, we're going to use pipe cleaners for the ears, but if you have extra pipe cleaners in this, so you can pull it real nice and tight. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Twist and twist. Turn it this way here. Look at that. And there's the hat for your container. And that will go right on there. Just like that. The ears, I sew them. You can glue them. Once it's done, just turn it inside out. Like that. There you go. And now you're going to take your pipe cleaner, and again, that's that bunny ear shape, just like that. And we're going to insert that in there. Try to get the seam into the back if you can. And insert that up into the little ear that we made. Spread this out here. And you have pipe cleaner. You can feel it, pipe cleaner on one side and the other pipe cleaner on the other. And then we have our two ears. So what we're going to do is when it's time to put them on, we're going to put them together and put a little glue. And then these will be the two little bunny ears. Our ears, our hats. We have some pom-poms for the top and pom-poms for the Easter bunny on the back. And now we're going to get ready to put it together. Now let's cut the beard. They're going to be about 10 inches wide by 6.5 inches high. Fold it in half, cut a small notch because that's where we're going to glue the nose. Now the hat goes on and we're going to give him a little cuff. And we're going to put that nose right there in the middle. Get that hat glued and get the nose right there. Glue it down on the sides. This glue is hot. It's hot, hot, hot. On the back, we're going to take a little cottontail, put that right there so we'll cover up all that where we sewed or where you glued. And that's going to go right in the middle there. Remember to put that hat, put the seam in the back. So the seam's in the back. So that's the back. Whoops, and here's the front. The front. We're going to put a nice big pom-pom on them. Right in the middle, nice big chunk of glue. Just stick that right on like that. Hold that on. He's starting to look like a gnome now, isn't he? Look how cute he is. Turn the ears inside out and you put that piece of pipe cleaner in there, and now we're going to put some glue, about halfway down, right down the middle. Put it down there, the glue. Squeeze it in half and hold it tight. Hold it, hold it, hold it until it dries. And now you can, it's got glue, ow, glue on my fingers. Glue on the back, glue on the back. Put that glue on the back. And you can, because there's pipe cleaners in there, you can bend those ears whichever way you like. Get rid of your little glue strings. And then the last thing we're gonna do, put a little carrot. So these carrots I just got these from the dollar store. These actually peel and stuff. You can also make a hat without any cuffs. To do this, we will cut a slit on either side of the hat, insert the ear through the slit, and now glue it on the inside of the hat. Now you can bend his ears, fluff up his beard. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite color. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.